First-person view, or FPV, turns flying a drone into something that feels more like playing an extreme sport than just piloting a gadget. You're not just controlling a drone, you're inside it, weaving through trees, skimming rooftops, and diving off cliffs. In today's video, we're checking out 7 of the best FPV drones you can buy in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned racer, a cinematic content creator, or just someone chasing that first adrenaline rush. Let's dive into the list. The DJI Avata 2 feels like the FPV drone made for everyone, even if you've never flown one before. What makes it special is how it combines immersive flying with real user-friendliness. The Motion 3 controller feels more like steering a game controller than piloting a drone, and yet it's surprisingly precise. Paired with the new Goggles 3 and its super clear display, you're instantly inside the action. Plus, the Avata 2 can shoot smooth 4K footage without needing an extra action cam thanks to its built-in stabilized camera. It's also tough, really tough. The ducted sinew hoop design helps it survive crashes and makes it great for tight cinematic shots. If you're feeling brave, you can always upgrade to the full stick-style controller for full manual mode. But even without that, the Avata 2 gives you acro tricks and smooth control. It's a fun, accessible, and surprisingly capable way to get into FPV. If you've been wanting to dive into true FPV flying, flips, rolls, dives, and all, the Tiny Hawk 3 Plus Freestyle might be your ideal starting point. This little drone is built specifically for freestyle, with smooth handling and the ability to run on either 1S or 2S batteries, depending on your skill level. Want more power? Go 2S. Need it a bit calmer while you learn? Stick to 1S. It's that flexible. What really makes this package shine is how complete it is. You get everything: drone, controller, goggles, even extra props and batteries, ready to fly straight out of the box. The included Transporter 2 HD goggles deliver sharp 720p visuals and even record your flights for sharing or reviewing later. Flight times are short, just a few minutes, but that's the norm for FPV drones, and the included USB charger and extra battery help keep the fun going. For learning acro the right way, this one nails it. The Beta FPV Cetus X FPV kit is a solid pick for anyone looking to learn FPV flying and grow into more advanced skills. It's the most capable model in the Cetus line and stands out for its versatility. In normal mode, the FC version includes position hold, hovering, and emergency landing, features that make it feel more like a camera drone and help beginners get comfortable with FPV goggles. But the real fun starts in manual mode, where the Cetus X can pull off flips, rolls, and dives with ease. The durable Whoop frame offers 360-degree protection, so it's safe to fly indoors or outside, and the adjustable camera angle lets you customize your view. The included Light Radio 3 transmitter and VR-03 goggles round out the experience, and everything comes packed in a handy case. It's a great way to go from your first flight to more advanced freestyle flying without needing to upgrade right away. The DJI Neo is a lightweight, beginner-friendly FPV drone that's perfect for learning the ropes. Weighing just 135 grams, it's durable enough to survive crashes, thanks to full propeller guards and a tough design. It's super easy to fly, and even includes a pause button that auto-levels the drone, ideal when things get out of control. While the 4K camera isn't professional grade, it's more than enough for learning and capturing decent footage. You'll get 6 to 12 minutes of flight time depending on how you fly, and the Neo can reach speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour for a bit of thrill. The controls are responsive, almost twitchy, but you can adjust sensitivity to your liking. It supports both the RC3 and motion controller, though the RC3 gives more flexibility. For under $200, the DJI Neo is a forgiving, capable drone that's ideal for practicing FPV without risking expensive gear. The GPRC Vapor series gets a bold refresh built specifically for the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro VTX. With a new aluminum lens housing and shock-absorbing silicone, it's designed to reduce vibration and protect your gear mid-flight. The DJI O4's larger CMOS sensor brings sharper, more detailed video, even in low light. GEPRC's tuned PID settings deliver smooth, locked-in flight, whether you choose the Wide X or DC model. The updated side panels give it a futuristic mech-like look, while the widened 5mm carbon fiber arms and reinforced front lip protect the drone and camera during hard landings or crashes. Powered by GEPRC SpeedX, the Vapor series offers strong, stable performance for freestyle or cinematic FPV. It's clearly built for pilots who want performance and design in one tough, ready-to-fly package. The Beta FPV Cetus Pro Kit is a solid entry-level FPV drone that also offers something for more experienced pilots. It features 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual, so you can gradually level up your skills. Normal mode uses optical flow sensors to help hold position, making it ideal for beginners. Sport mode gives you more control, while manual mode unlocks full acro-style flight for tricks and freestyle. Just be sure you're ready before diving in. The brushless motors provide better power and maneuverability, and the frame's tough PA12 material with full prop guards makes it durable enough to survive plenty of crashes. Turtle mode is a great bonus too. It lets you flip the drone upright after a crash without walking over to it. Flight time is around 5 minutes per battery, and while the 800x480p goggles work well, staying within 80 meters ensures a clear feed. It's compact, capable, and comes in a handy storage case. The iFlight Nazgul DC-5 Eco 6 SO3 HD is a premium freestyle FPV drone built for performance and cinematic quality. It features DJI's O4 digital HD system, delivering low-latency video up to 13 kilometers with 1080p at 100 frames per second and crystal-clear 4K stabilized footage thanks to its large CMOS sensor and 150-degree ultra-wide angle lens. Its durable carbon fiber frame and aluminum camera mount strike a balance between strength and weight, while a built-in anti-spark filter helps protect internal components during battery connections. The prop-free camera view enhances the clarity of footage, and a GoPro mount is included for added flexibility. Powered by the ATF 435 flight controller and Blitz E55S ESC, the drone offers smooth, responsive control for acro maneuvers. A built-in buzzer and dedicated receiver mount also make maintenance easy. For serious FPV pilots seeking top-tier visuals and reliable freestyle performance, the Nazgul DC-5 Eco is a standout choice. That was our roundup of the 7 best FPV drones to buy in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite pick below.